Our glow-in-the-dark skeleton costume is almost ready to hit the town. One of the last accessories you can consider is glow sticks. Glow sticks are available in a lot of stores in September and October. They're pretty much a Halloween staple. A lot of you undoubtedly played with them as kids. They're also cool to put in jack-o'-lanterns and generally run around with. Trick-or-treaters, you'll see a lot of them. But with our glow-in-the-dark skeleton, it's another option. It's another accessory for us to use for the costume. It'll help you, like it'll be something else that'll glow more. It'll also help. It could help you maintain your glow, because you have to keep in mind, without a lot of direct light, your glow-in-the-dark costume could start to lose its glow. That's just the property of glow-in-the-dark. So another thing that you can do before the party is, especially if you can get ready and there's still light, is go outside. And it'd be great if it's sunny, and like go outside for about 5 to 10 minutes. That'll essentially charge your costume, and then you're all ready to go.